Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to be talking about a very common plant in the summer season. This is the jasmine plant. Do you know this plant has been in our garden for around 6 to 7 years? And while all the other plants are dried up in the summer garden, this plant grows beautifully. It also blooms really small white flowers, which makes the garden look even better. Did you know this plant that you're seeing right now is actually propagated from other big plants? We prune it time to time. In the summer season, these plants bloom really well, but it has not started blooming yet. That's because it is not the blooming time right now. Right now we are removing all the dead, damaged leaves and stems from this plant. This is because in order to keep your plants healthy, you must remove all these dead and damaged stems and leaves time to time. Otherwise it may get insect attacks and its growth may get stunted. So removing the dead and damaged leaves and stems are really necessary. This is the flowering plant that we planted last year only. So now we are gonna prune this small plant. As you know, pinching helps to keep the plant healthy. This also helps in lateral branching, which will make the plant more bushier. Also, if you prune them before flowering, it will help in better flowerings. As I already told you before, these jasmine plants flower during the summer seasons. That's why we must take care of them during this time only. As it is already in a shaded area, we are not mulching it right now. But make sure that time to time we remove all the weeds. And make sure to do some pinching or pruning of the plants. Look, due to seed drops, there are so many baby jasmine plants. If we plant them during rainy season, they will also grow as healthy plants. We can already notice that there might be some root bound in this pot. But due to the pot being so big and heavy, we cannot repot this plant. That's why we are just going to dig in the sides of the pots. This will free the plant a little bit from the root bound. After that, we are going to apply some organic manure. During this time, we should not give any kind of chemical fertilizers, as they may harm the plant. That's why we are going to give a liquid homemade manure. As you know, kitchen waste compost is the best homemade manure, as it contains all kinds of micro and macronutrients. That's why we are going to give liquid kitchen waste compost, which will be the best for your plants. Make sure to dilute it and then stir it well. Only then should you give this to the plant. This is a slow releasing manure, that's why it will not harm the plant. If you wish, you can dilute it even further. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.